What's up, everybody? I'm the 1B, and I'm actually here in Adobe Premiere, and I just wanted to do a quick video on how to edit your workspaces. Currently, I use this editing workspace, but I always have to move my project down here. So what I want to do here is I want to save as new workspace, and we're going to call it quick edit. And the whole thing is having the media browser and your project, it used to be up in here with this, but that makes no sense, because how are you going to drag things from your media browser into the project if they're both on this in the same area, right? Like I could probably drag to like here or something, but that doesn't make any sense. Whoops. Just Control Z that. Well, it doesn't matter. So what I did here is I moved the project down here, which allows me to drag things from here and move it down. And that's pretty much the whole idea of doing that. As you can see, is you just go into workspaces, you put things where you want them, and then you go in here and save as new workspace. And that's it. That's pretty much everything that you do for this. I'm going to do another video on changing some hotkeys, which I learned from another YouTuber, which I'll shout out him in that video. But for now, I'll talk to everybody later, and peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.